Hey guys, it's Kim. It's Sunday afternoon, and I'm sitting here at doing an open house at Rogue River, and I've just had a lot of people come through, and I wanted to answer some questions that I keep getting. So, am I still doing real estate? Absolutely, I'm still doing real estate. Love doing real estate, love helping people, love buying, love selling. Call me if you need real estate help. I am doing the flipping, not the flipping, oh my gosh, I'm not doing the flipping. True West does the flipping. Realize Real Estate does the flipping. But I have the unique opportunity to get to decorate and stage our flip houses. So that's what I do. When I do my staging and unstaging videos, that's what I'm doing. That's my desire. That's my heart passion. I feel like that's my God-given talent. I love doing that. And now I'm getting to kind of help with the design side of things. So I've got a contractor that I work hand in hand with on picking out everything. So if you need help designing anything or just staging or decorating your house, you can always give me a call, because that's what I love to do. So it's kind of my gravy, I guess you could say. Somebody told me the other day, it's like, oh, so that's your gravy. I'm like, sure. So, real estate's my main thing, but the decorating and staging is just a side thing that I do that I love to do. So, hope that answers some questions. Hope you are having a fabulous day. Are the Cowboys playing yet? I don't know. I guess they're not. Look at all you people. Oh my gosh. Hey guys. So I will let y'all go. Have a great day. Good Sunday. The weather is fabulous, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.